In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Squarespace. Whether you're transitioning to a new email provider or just want to update your contact details, this simple process will ensure your Squarespace account stays current and accessible. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, we need to open the Squarespace website and navigate to the Squarespace account dashboard. To do this, simply go to your browser, type in the URL, and log into your Squarespace account. Accessing the dashboard is vital because it serves as the central hub where you can manage everything related to your Squarespace account. Once you're in the dashboard, look for your profile icon. This should typically be located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. This menu is where we can make changes to your account settings. Next, you'll want to click on the option labeled Security. The Security section is where you can manage account-specific elements such as your password and contact details. This part of the process is essential because it ensures the authorization and security of your account. Now, let's find the email address section within the security settings. However, it's important to note that if you're using a Google login provider to sign into Squarespace, you may not see an email address field here. When utilizing a login provider like Google, your email address and related details are managed through your Google account settings instead of directly through Squarespace. If you do have the option to edit your email address directly within Squarespace, this is where you would make your change. Click on the email address field and update it to your new preferred email. Be sure to double-check for any typos or errors. A typo might seem small, but it can cause significant issues when trying to log in later. For those using the Google login method and need to update their email, remember to go through your Google account settings to make any changes. Managing your email through a provider like Google can sometimes offer more integrated security options, which can be beneficial for many users. After you've successfully updated your email address, whether through Squarespace or Google, it's a good practice to log out and log back in to confirm that everything is operating smoothly with your new email. This ensures any updates have been recognized by the system, keeping your account secure and up to date. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to changing your email address in Squarespace. Keeping your email current ensures you won't miss important notifications and maintains easy access to your account. Thanks for joining me today, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy creating!